Hi, I'm Angela, an entrepreneur, a beauty queen, model, and mother. And my passion is to empower you to shine. So let's get the magic started. Woohoo! Valentine's gift ideas for her? Let's get started. Okay, so I just did a haul and I'm so excited to show it to you. So let's have a look at haul number 1, my unboxing, okay? And this cutie is actually from, ta-da! It's from Dior Beauty, okay? And, I saw the box and I totally fell in love with it, the Valentine box, and I was hoping that while stocks last meant that I can get myself a pretty Christian Dior Valentine box edition. Okay, and what beauties did I buy inside? Let's have a look. Okay. So this was an online purchase. I did all my purchases online because I wanted to see the difference between the various brands and the service, okay? So ta-da! I'm going to open her up and okay. Wow! Okay, so there's another box inside this pretty box. And firstly, what did I get? I got myself a Forever Glow Veil. It's a skincare and it's full of hyaluronic acid. And you know, we ladies, we like our skin plump and moist. So what better than to try this, okay? And I'm really excited to try that. And they gave me some freebies. Here, so the micro serum, not sure what that is. My J'adore, I love J'adore, y'all. Little spray sample, which will be good to put in my handbag. And let's see what's inside. It's so pretty, so pretty. Okay, I love. Okay, here's a hint. Okay, here's a hint. I am using their products, this Rouge Dior lipstick, and I really love it. And best of all, this time it came with a set, and this velvety pouch is heavenly. Okay, and best of all are that their lipsticks came like that. The lipsticks are refillable, and you know me loving to be part of sustainability in fashion. I also love to be a part of sustainable, makeup. And so this is a pretty Rouge Duo packaging. Okay, and what color is this? It's perfect. I love it. I love this. Look how beautiful. It has like a Dior print on it. So pretty. Okay, and I also got, it came in a set of 2, and the other one, okay, same. I love the packaging. It's very classy, very elegant. My previous one I got was a limited edition. So this one is simple. It's just a gloss for everyday use. Beautiful Dior, Rouge Dior lipstick that came in a pretty pouch. Okay, really loving this. And for the Valentine's promotion, it did come with another freebie. Okay, and so pretty. This one says CD. It's a different texture. Okay, this is like a velvety blue, this one, and this is like a velvety blue, and that also is a free gift that came with a set. And this one was an additional bonus, Valentine's, and it's more like a jersey material. I love dark colors, black, navy. They are my good go-to and so easy to, maintain. It doesn't get dirty. And this free gift, Valentine's free gift, came, ooh, I love this. I use this. Okay, it's the Dior Lip Maximizer. So easy. I can put this in my little bag when I go out. And a Dior Show Iconic Overcurl Mascara. Okay, so that was my first haul from Dior. Really nice stuff. Really impressed with them and their packaging. And, you know, pretty stuff. And I actually also got a little note. So Dior packaging, you can write a little love note for your loved one or for yourself, up to you. And yeah, and it comes with a beautiful packaging. And my note to myself is self-love is non-negotiable. Happy Valentine's, okay? Yeah, so all these Valentine's goodies are actually love gifts for myself. Okay, so Dior, best of all. The packaging is superb. Service is great. And what's number 2? Okay, let's have a look. Number 2 will be, okay, let's do this one. Okay, so this is from Yves Saint Laurent Beauty. What's in this little box? When it comes to beauty, makeup, lipstick, you know, you never go wrong. Okay, so I got myself some pretty goodies from Yves Saint Laurent. Okay, this is how it's packaged. Okay, I must say the packaging is not as expected. I would presume, you know, it will come a little bit prettier. There was a YSL collaboration, Valentine's collaboration, and the Asian market was having lots of pretty pieces of makeup. And unfortunately, here in the Middle East, I cannot get my hands on those. But there are some sets that came in a little red box, but it was not what I wanted, so I got myself, anyway, Le Bear, okay, the perfume, and the Magi hair mist, okay? I love these items, and best of all, on YSL, when you shop online, when you register, you do get a 10% off, so that was the best bonus. And there are promotions. There's the Valentine promotion where you get a little red little lipstick pouch, but you know, a shaped pouch, a little red lip pouch. But I thought, you know, if I spent a little bit more, I could get something that I really wanted, and something that I would actually use more. So I spent and got myself this freebie. Is actually a makeup pouch, right? And yeah, it's in like PVC leather, but I thought this would be more versatile because I could use it for travels, and it came with a little mirror, and yeah. Okay, so this one I spent 750 SARS, which is about, you know, just above 200 USD dollars, and that came with freebies also, the Le Bear, you know, little perfume, Tache Eclair. Okay, this one is actually, I think it's a long wear glow. I think it's like a foundation. So you can choose, you know, your items, your freebies online. And but unfortunately for the YSL, there was no you couldn't select your packaging, and yeah, so unfortunately I did not get the red box. But if you really want to get the red box, I would say get a set, because that would guarantee you the Valentine's box, and if you like the promo that comes along with it. But I'm very happy with my selection. So I did wish to have a little red box, but it's okay. Oh wow, this mirror is really nice. This is probably like the most beautiful mirror. Wow, okay, not bad. So I'm very happy with this mirror. Okay, YSL mirror with the YSL logo. Oh, wrong side. Hi. Okay, beautiful. Okay, Beautiful. Okay, so what's number 3? I got myself, what's the next item? I cannot not buy this item. Can you make a guess? What is my favorite product? Okay, those who know me know that I love Chanel. Okay, so for Chanel, when you purchase online, you can decide to get a box or a little cotton pouch. This is the sustainable way of shopping where they give you this little pouch. But if you prefer, you can choose a box, right? For your online purchase, you can choose a box or you can choose this pretty pouch. And I always choose this pouch now because I can reuse this pouch for other things, keeping my small little goods, my little Chanel bags, etc. So what do I have in here? I have a lipstick again. I love lipsticks, and this one is I think it's a limited edition or exclusive. It's Exigence number 64 Ultra Wear Shine Liquid Lip Color. Okay, pretty stuff. I saw it online and I wanted to get it. Look, so cool. So cool, right? Okay, and the next item I got was these. Okay, this is new also on Chanel website and in boutique. It's a cheap and lip stain. Okay, and I got it number 8 Ardent Brick, and I really like it. Okay, so cool. And you can use it for both your lips and your cheeks. Okay, Ardent Brick. Whew, wonderful. And Chanel Beauty, they always give you this little pouch, okay, for the freebies. And likewise, you can choose your selection of free samples. And I always go for the perfume. This is Sycamore and Chanel number 5. I do love Chanel number 5. Okay, so look, I get 2 pouches and freebies. I mean, what's best? So those are my shopping haul. You never go wrong with beauty products for a woman, for a girl, for your loved one, and for yourself, you know. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I wish you all a happy Valentine's, and you know, let me know which is your favorite unboxing, which are your favorite items, and are you using any of them in your stash, right? And yeah, happy Valentine's, ladies. Bye.